In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Mac computer, could be iMac, MacBook, or anything else made by Apple, to your HP Envi 6555e, 6155e, and many other models, as long as they have one of these display on the left side over here. So let's get started. The first step is to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network. The same Wi-Fi network as your Mac computer is already connected to. So I'll show you how this is done. All right, so it's quite easy. You have to go on the menu, click menu, go down, and you're gonna see settings, click on settings. Sometimes you have to touch multiple times the screen because it does not register. But once you're here, click network, Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, so here it's blue, and then select Wi-Fi setup, okay? There's multiple options. Click on the start beside Wi-Fi setup. Wait, it will search for all networks around this printer. There may be a few. Yours should be in the list that is showing right here. If not, just scroll down until you find yours. Click on it. Click over here and type the password of your Wi-Fi network. Then you're gonna press OK and submit. Press OK. And now it's trying to connect to your Wi-Fi. If it's working, well, you're gonna get a green check mark, and this is it. Your printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now on your Mac computer, it's very easy at this point. You just have to go on the top left corner, click on the Mac logo, on the Apple logo, sorry. Click System Settings. Over here, this will open. If you have an older Mac with an older Mac OS, it will look slightly different, but overall, you need to find printers and scanners, should be one of these options here. Click, and then on the right side, go down this menu until you see Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax. Click on this option. Now you may be asked to enter your credentials, so your MacBook name and password. Once you've done this, a window will open. All you have to do is to select your HP printer. Okay, once it's selected, click the Add button. Wait, and the printer will be added to your printer list here. Great. Now let me show you how to print and how to scan using your Mac. So you're going to open any file, or if you're on a web page, you can go ahead, open the web page you would like to print. Let's say I'm on this web page, I would like to print it. Very easy. Go on Files here on the top left corner, and you're going to select Print. Make sure that your printer is the one selected, HP Envi with number, and then that these settings are okay with whatever you want to print. In my case, I just want the first page to be printed, not the whole document, so I'll select here. And once you're done, click the print button. You can extend this tray, and it should come out in a few seconds. Here we go, we got our print right here. Now it's time to show you how to use the scanner and get the results on your Mac. This printer has two scanners, a top document feeder hiding right here, and a normal scanner glass. Okay, if you want to use the scanner glass, all you have to do is to put your paper facing down like this, with the top part facing the left side, and make sure that this corner of your page aligns with this corner of the printer. So bring them until both are touching, and all you have to do now is to close the lid. If you have multiple pages and you want to scan them all at once, you're going to use this top document feeder. So here I have 2 pages, but obviously you can put a lot more. Make sure they're aligned. And you're going to put them with the top facing up, and this part of the paper, okay, the top part of the paper towards the left side. Glide them, and you're going to hear a small beep. It simply says that the printer has noticed you have input something. But I don't want to use this one, I'll use that one. Let me go on my Mac. So on your Mac, you're going to go back where printers and scanners Where? In this settings menu. And in the list, since we added the printer, your printer should be here, so mine is over here. Okay, click on it. And once you clicked on it, you're gonna click on Open Scanner. This will open. You're gonna select your printer over here. And then you're gonna select Show Details. It will scan, but this scan will not be saved on your Mac yet. This is just a preview showing you what's on the scanner glass. Okay, we'll just let it finish. Perfect. Now go on the right side, and these are the settings for the scanner. So use scanner mode here to select where your paper is located. Mine is on the flatbed, but if you're using the top document feeder, select document feeder. Then you have resolution. If you're scanning, as I do here, a document with text and some images, select 200 dpi. This is enough details. If you're scanning anything else like a picture, an artwork, something with a lot of details, well, you're going to select a higher number, 600 or 1200. But be careful, if you select these, it will take more time to scan, up to a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. 200 dpi here takes 12 seconds, and as I said, it's enough details for something like that. All right, let's go back here, uncheck this. Input your paper size. Mine is a US letter size, so I'll leave it like that. Select the folder where you would like this scan to go. So I'll go here, I'll select desktop instead, and you can give this scan a brand new name. Finally, select the format. People will hesitate between JPEG and PDF. I mean, depending what you're scanning. Here it's a PDF. And you have multiple pages that you'd like to combine in one single PDF file. You're going to select this, combine into single document. So if you're using the top document feeder here and you have input multiple pages, they'll all be combined in one file. Once you're done, press the scan button and wait. Usually it takes around 12 seconds at 200 dpi. Great, so we have our result here, and it will say saving image, and the image will be saved in the folder you have selected. So this is it. This is how you use your Mac computer to connect to your HP printer and print and scan. I really hope my video was helpful. Like, subscribe, and if you have more time, check my Amazon affiliate links in the description down below if you want to support my channel by purchasing ink or paper. See you in the next one.